Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to Autofocus. Welcome to Autofocus if you haven't been here before. I'm actually on the way to, was it Anaheim? Garden Grove? I'm from San Diego, California, so yeah, we're about to go get an alignment at Chewerks. And they specialize in track alignments and corner balancing and all that kind of cool track day race car stuff. So yeah, I'm in the 9th gen Accord right now, and yeah, we're about to head out right now. Just got gas at Costco. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the road, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Yo, I had to make a quick pit stop. I only brought one water with me, and it's like halfway. So just picked up some drinks, some more water, and vitamin water. It's raining. It is raining in California, so I got to be careful on the way up. Since I'm rolling on these 200 treadwears extreme summer tires, I guess you would call it. So yeah, I'm just at a gas station right now, and I'm about to head out. Head back on the freeway, back up north. All right, looks like I'm pretty much ready to go, so let's get back on the road. All right, just made it off the exit. I gotta pee. All this rain is making me need to pee. All right, so we're about a block away from Chewerks. I'm actually at a gas station right now because I had to pee. I didn't even get to touch my drinks yet. So I'm gonna drink my drinks a little. I'm gonna check out what's opening soon, so that after my alignment I can go grab some food. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the alignment shop. I am inside of Chewerks right now. Man, they got a lot of cars. It's crazy. A lot of nice cars too. And they're all track oriented, which is really nice. Really nice. It's like track stands. He's working on another customer's car up front. Oh, I love RX-7s. Someday. Yeah, there's more cars outside. So I'm gonna take a little tour around a lot of the other cars. It's nice. I think this is F80. I want to say F80 M3, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know my BMWs that well. Oh yeah, M3. Another E40. This is the E46. It's an M3. Another BMW. Just kidding. Supra. Oh, be careful. Supra. Oh, this is cool. Every car here has a bucket seat. Oh, this is cool. Studio RSR track support vehicle. It looks so nice too. Look at this fitment. Tucking, dude. No BMWs in the back. And then I have my car, E36. I have my vehicle. If you guys are not here from the last video, I'm actually here at Chewerks to get an alignment because to get a track alignment. If you guys don't know already, in the front, negative 2.4 camber in the front, negative 3 camber in the rear. Should be the other way around. I can't, the alignment tech that worked on my car last, he said he couldn't get any more front camber out of my camber plates. So I don't know, maybe Rob here at Chewerks can somehow get more camber in the front, but if not, it's okay. For sure he can probably get the rear to get less camber, because for a track car or even any performance oriented car, you want more camber in the front than the rear. If you have more camber in the rear, that's more of a stance thing. I no longer do that anymore with my cars, so I'm all about the track life now. You guys can blame Alex for that. I'll put his YouTube channel in the description box. Yeah, still kind of raining. Oh, look at Porsche. It's nice. Porsche. I think these are the employees' cars. Nice Porsche. Are those, correct me if I'm wrong, those look like HREs. I don't know if that's the symbol for HREs. Nice little Mini Cooper right here. That's pretty dope. How big are the brakes on these things? Oh man, they're pretty big. Are these Rays? I think 57 DRs, I want to say. Willwood. With Willwoods. Nice. I love it. Love it. I love seeing track cars. I guess it's totally different from me looking at stance cars now. I still love stance cars, but you know, it's time for a change. It's time for me to get into tracking, get into motorsport, and see what I can do. All right, so Rob just finished my alignment. Oh, come on, focus. Maybe I can raise the... I can't even get it to focus. This sucks. 1.9 front left. Everything else is negative 2.3 camber. My toe is negative 0.01 degrees of toe on each corner. Yeah, that's pretty much how it went. So I'm gonna go test drive it and see how it feels. All right, what's up, guys? I just got to Nguyen's Kitchen. Not sure if any of you have ever been here. It's in Anaheim. But I just got my order, so it's in the car. I just wanted to see the rear camber. So, like I said, I showed you the specs. Negative 2.3 camber all around, except for the front left. It's maxed out at negative 1.9. This should feel a little better when I go to Streets of Willow on the 30th. Yeah, this should feel a little better when I go to Streets of Willow on the 30th. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, before there was more rear camber than the front, and it looked like a stance car, so I didn't want that, and definitely don't want that on the track. You want to have at least equal amount of camber or less camber in the rear. So yeah, about to drive like an hour and a half, hopefully there's no traffic, back home. I got my food. I got some, let me see. Got some, right here, Newman's Kitchen. Got 3 garlic noodles with bulgogi steak, popcorn chicken, and garlic fries. Woohoo! Alright, let's head home. So it's a couple days after the, or it's a week after I did the alignment. I'm actually siphoning out the old brake fluid from the reservoir. And I'm going to replace it with some Moto 660. It's a .4 brake fluid. Has a higher boiling point. And you can use your factory lines with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue getting all this old fluid out. I haven't changed it ever since I had the car. It's got 75,000 miles, almost 75,000 miles now. And yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is because, as you can see right there, I'm actually doing brakes. So I actually replaced the rear brake pads yesterday, and the reason why there's rust right there is because the brake pad wasn't making contact with the disc rotor. Let me show you guys. It's in my, oh, this is what I switched to, by the way. This is dynamic frictions. This is a semi-metallic pad. Alright, yeah, open this real quick. Which one was it? This one? No, this one. Alright, this pad right here goes to the front side, so it would hit the front of the disc rotor. I am not sure if this is picking, oh yeah, you see that groove? It's not even flat all the way through. There's like a chunk missing in the middle. This happened after my my first track day, so I went ahead and just bought these pads, these dynamic friction pads, and yeah, I already replaced them. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and bleed all the brakes, and the brake bleed procedure is front left, front right, rear left. I know there's a controversy of people that will say start from the furthest back, or the furthest wheel away from the master cylinder, but this is Honda's recommended brake bleed procedure. So yeah, I'm just gonna go clockwise starting from the driver's side. All right, you guys, I got the new brake fluid in. The rear pad's already in. Went out for a test drive. Pedal feels good, and the new pads, yeah, they're good. And the rear rotor on this side, the rear driver's side rotor, it's evened out. I wish I could show you. Well, maybe I can. Let's see if I can show you guys, because my sedan is really close to the coupe. Let's see. Can't really see it, but it evened out, and now the rust is not there anymore. I bedded the brakes in, so yeah, I'm just letting the car chill. All right, so that pretty much concludes my track day prep. Concludes my track day prep. Yeah, I gotta just wash the car now, and wash the car and just wait till next Sunday. That's when my track day is. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Track day is next Sunday, which is January 30th, and today is the 23rd. So yeah, I just got one more week, and yeah, we'll be at the track. So I'm pretty stoked. Get to take this car out again, and with the new alignment, the Moto 660 brake fluid.
Like a lazy afternoon, I'm just chilling, flat on my back, staring up at the ceiling, feeling the calm and spilling my songs. I'm here, then I'm gone, as I'm steadily killing time.